Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Miss Anam Shujat and I'm here with the new video session of Sir Syed Julian's Academy for grade 3, and today I'm going to take your English language class. So let's begin our today's session. Before starting today's topic, make sure you have your Junior English 3, your English activity book, your English language copy, and your stationery box with you. In our lecture number 2, I am going to teach you and make you understand verb. Verbs are action words. कोई भी काम, कोई भी एक्शन जो हम थ्रू आउट द डे परफॉर्म करते हैं वो वर्ब होते हैं. वर्ब मीन्स कोई भी काम का करना. ऐसे वर्ड जो हमें किसी भी काम के करने का बताएं वो वर्ब्स हैं. लाइक यू कैन सी इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, जंपिंग गर्ल. इस पिक्चर में गर्ल कौन सा एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रही है? जंपिंग. सो जंपिंग इज़ द वर्ब. The baby sleeps. In the second picture, baby क्या काम कर रहा है? Sleep. वो सो रहा है. So sleep is a verb. In the third picture, a man eats a burger. In the third picture, man कौन सा एक्शन कर रहा है? Eat. So eats is a verb. Let's look at some more examples to understand the verb. Mary is writing a letter. Mary letter लिख रही है. So the action she is doing is writing. So writing is a verb. Monkey is trying to get a banana. Monkey कोशिश कर रहा है कि वो बनाना ले ले. So what action is monkey doing? Monkey जो एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा है वो है trying. Alia washed the clothes and hung them on rope. आलिया ने क्लोथ्स वॉश करे यानी उन्हें धोया और रोप पे रस्सी पे लटका दिए. So what are the verbs in this sentence? Washed धोना and hung लटकाना. Washed and hung are verbs. Look at the next example. The children are looking at the aeroplane. In this sentence, children क्या काम कर रहे हैं? They are looking. वो देख रहे हैं. So, looking is verb. The children are watching television. Now, in this sentence, children क्या काम कर रहे हैं? They are watching. So watching is a verb. Okay students, now think of the many actions you perform during the day. आप पूरे दिन में क्या क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं? You wake up. आप सुबह उठते हैं. You wash your face. अपना फेस वॉश करते हैं. You dress up yourself. आप कपड़े पहनते हैं. You brush your hair. आप अपने हेयर ब्रश करते हैं. You eat your breakfast. You eat your lunch. You eat your dinner. You walk to school. आप स्कूल जाते हैं. And some of you may write to school. You learn. You read. You draw. Right? So there are many actions you perform during the day. You sleep. You play. So all the actions we perform, वो हर काम जो हम करते हैं वो verb है. Okay students, I hope now you know what is verb. It's time for our classwork, and for that you have to take out your Junior English 3 and open page number 2. We will done exercise A of page number 2 in English language copy. So open your Junior English 3 and your language copy as well. On the new page, write date on the left corner and write classwork on the upright corner. And in center, you will mention exercise and page number. Then write down the question, find verb in these sentences and write them. Write date, exercise, classwork and homework with the blue color pencil, and then write down the question number 1 in your copy. I washed the clothes and hung them on the line. मैंने कपड़े धोए और उन्हें लाइन पर लटका दिया, उन्हें hung कर दिया. So, where is the verb in this sentence? There are two verbs in this sentence. Number 1, washed. Number 2, hung. You will write the answer in your copy as shown in the picture. जिस तरह पिक्चर में मैंने आपको बताया है कि आंसर किस तरह लिखना है, आप अपनी कॉपी पे आंसर वैसे ही लिखेंगे. Now write down question number 2 in your copy. Although he tries hard, he makes little progress. उसकी बहुत कोशिशों के बावजूद उसने थोड़ी कामयाबी हासिल की. So, you have to find the verb in this sentence. So, the answer is tries and makes. Write down this answer in your copy and then write down the question number 3, which is Sharmeen folded her sweater and placed it over the back of a chair. शर्मीन ने अपना स्वेटर फोल्ड करके उसे चेयर की बैक पर रख दिया. So, what are the two verbs in this sentence? Folded and placed. You have to follow the same pattern in the copy as shown in the picture. जिस तरह मैंने आपको पिक्चर में दिखाया है कैसे काम करना है, आप वैसे ही काम अपनी कॉपी में करेंगे. Question number 4. You have to write the question number 4 like you have done the previous questions. जैसे आपने previous questions करे हैं वैसे ही आप question 4 भी अपनी कॉपी में write down करेंगे. Let me read it for you. When Penny had finished her breakfast, she cleaned her teeth. जब पेनी ने अपना ब्रेकफास्ट फिनिश कर लिया, उसने अपने teeth साफ करे. Where is the verb? The verbs in this sentence are finished and cleaned. I have marked the answers in the book, but आप बुक में मार्क नहीं करेंगे आंसर्स. You have to write in your copy. आप क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर बोथ अपनी कॉपी में ही लिखेंगे. Got it? Now question number 5. It takes Johnny 20 minutes to walk to school. जॉनी को 20 मिनट्स लगे स्कूल तक वॉक करने में. Find the verb in this sentence. Takes and walk. You have to write question number 5 in your copy and then write its answers. Now move to question number 6. Sally wrote the letter and James posted it. Sally ने लेटर लिखा and James ने उसे पोस्ट किया. The answer is wrote and posted. You have to write down the question number 6 in your copy and then write down its answer. After that, you will write down question number 7. I looked for my badge, but it had disappeared. The verbs in question number 7 are looked and disappeared. Looked means देखना and disappeared means गायब हो जाना. Write these answers in your copy and then write down the question number 8. The old man flopped down in the armchair and grunted. The old man flopped. Flop down means गिर जाना. Old man armchair पे गिरते हैं and grunted. Grunted means दर्द में या गुस्से में आवाज़ निकालना. So, you have to find the verb in this sentence. And the answer is flopped and grunted. Write down these answers in your copy. We have completed exercise A of page number 2. आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अपनी कॉपी में करनी है. There are 8 questions in this exercise और वो सारे 8 questions आप अपनी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की कॉपी में लिखेंगे. Now, Move to exercise B. Exercise B will be done in book. Exercise B आप जूनियर इंग्लिश की बुक में ही करेंगे. Let me read the exercise for you. Fit the verbs in the list on the left into their proper places in the sentences below. लेफ़्ट साइड पे आपको वर्ब की एक लिस्ट दी हुई है. आपको इस लिस्ट में से वर्ब फिल करने हैं इन सेंटेंसेस में जो राइट साइड पे हैं. किस सेंटेंस में कौन सा वर्ब आएगा, यू हैव टू रीड द सेंटेंस एंड देन यू हैव टू गैस कि यहाँ कौन सा वर्ब फिट हो सकता है. सेंटेंस नंबर 1. Miss Haynes dash the children to the party. Which verb is suitable for this sentence? Trickled means कतरा कतरा होकर गिरना. Sniffed means सूंघना. Repaired means मरम्मत करना. Wriggled कीड़े वगैरह का बल खाना. Shuffled इधर उधर हरकत करना. Trampled means कुचलना. Welcome खुशामदीद या किसी का इस्तकबाल करना. Galloped पूरी तेज़ी से. So, which verb is suitable? In this sentence, we can write welcomed. Miss Haynes welcomed the children to the party. That means Miss Haynes ने पार्टी में चिल्ड्रन को वेलकम किया, उनका इस्तकबाल किया. Now move to question number 2. Patch dash at the food before eating it. In this sentence, patch is a noun, that means it's a name. So, which verb is suitable for sentence 2? It can be sniffed, means सूंघना. Patch sniffed at the food before eating it. Patch ने खाने को सूंघा उसे खाने से पहले. Number 3. Helen dashed across the moor on her pony. Moor is a land, an uncultivated land, यानी ऐसी ज़मीन जिस पर खेती बाड़ी नहीं हो सकती. And pony is an animal. So the answer will be trampled. That means कुचलना या पार करके जाना. So Helen ने moor को trample कर लिया यानी पार कर लिया अपनी पोनी पर. Now the question number 4. The worms dash about in the rain. Worms are insects. So, what can we use in this sentence? We can say wriggled, यानी बल खाना. The worms wriggled about in the rain. यानी worms rain में बल खा रहे थे. Number 5. William dashed the holes in the fence. Fence is a boundary. Holes means सुराख. So, which verb can be used in this sentence? We can use repaired. That means William ने fence के holes को repair किया, उन्हें ठीक कर दिया. Question number 6. The rain dashed down the window panes. Window panes means खिड़की का शीशा. So, we can use trickled. That means कतरा कतरा होकर गिरना. बारिश के कतरे विंडो पेन्स यानी खिड़की के शीशे पर ट्रिकल कर रहे थे, गिर रहे थे. Question number 7. Some of the audience dashed their feet. We can use shuffled. That means audience अपने feet इधर उधर कर रहे थे. Now number 8. The runaway horses had dash on all the flowers in the park. We can use galloped. Gallop means पूरी तेज़ी से. That means horses पूरी तेज़ी से पार्क के फ्लावर्स पर रन कर रहे थे. We have done with our classwork. Now is the time for your home task. And in your homework, you have to read and understand page number 7 of activity book. Activity book के page number 7 पे there are many verbs. You have to read them and understand them. After that, you will do activity number 1 and activity number 2 on page number 8 in activity book. एक्टिविटी बुक की एक्टिविटी नंबर 1 और एक्टिविटी नंबर 2 आपको एक्टिविटी बुक में ही करनी है. डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट द डेट ऑन बोथ द पेजेस. Let me read activities for you. In activity number 1, one word in each row is verb. Write the verb on the line. As you can see in question number 1, there are 3 words: run, bike and shoe. Which one is verb among them? इन 3 वर्ड में से कौन सा वर्ड है जो एक एक्शन है? You have to find that word and उसी के फ्रंट पे जो लाइन है आपको वो वर्ब वहाँ लिखना है. Then in activity number 2, you have to circle the action verbs in the following sentences. 10 sentences has been given to you. In 10 sentences में आपको सिर्फ verb को circle करना है. Number 1, Tim is throwing the ball. टिम कौन सा एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रहा है आपको उसे सर्कल करना है. द कैट रन्स अक्रॉस द रोड. नंबर 3, शी स्लेप्ट ऑल नाइट. नंबर 4, कैन यू हेल्प मी. नंबर 5, माई डॉग बार्क्स लाउडली. नंबर 6, एना वॉक टू पार्क. नंबर 7, शी रोट अ लेटर फॉर टीना. नंबर 8, द गर्ल प्लेड विथ हर मदर. नंबर 9, मैरी लुक्स एट द बुक्स. नंबर 10, असलम इज लाफिंग. You just have to circle the action verbs. इनमें आपको सिर्फ action verbs को circle करना है. Make sure you have completed all the work before the next lecture. You can take help from your elders, but it must be done by yourself only. Okay students, that's all for today. I will see you in the next lecture. Till then, keep watching and keep learning. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz to all of you.